Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Rob. Thanks for tuning in to the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make McDonald's Sausage McMuffins. Now what we're going to be using to make these is Great Value brand, the original pork sausage patties, and also the Walmart Great Value brand English muffins. And that's really all you need. If you want, you can go ahead and put a piece of American cheese on there as well, but I'm going to skip the cheese today. So this is very easy to make, and also making it at home, it's a lot of times a lot more fresh because you don't have to get something that's been sitting there for a while, and also it's cheaper. It's about half price. So this only costs about 52 cents to make. It's 31 cents for the sausage patty and 21 cents for the English muffin. So it's about 52 cents altogether. But we've got our pan heated up here to medium-high heat, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of our sausage patties. And I like to keep a few of these in the fridge thawed out, so the cooking time is actually a lot less. So we're just going to go ahead and get that cooking on there, and you can hear it sizzling away already. And we're just going to go ahead and use the same pan for our English muffin as well. So you just get an English muffin out of the package, and they're like closed together, and you just kind of, they're pre-split a little, but you have to finish the split. So just kind of put your fingers in there and just carefully split it around. Just like so, and then just put that baby face down on here, and we'll turn it around about halfway through the cooking process. This will only take a few minutes. We're on about medium-high heat, and the sausage patty is already fully cooked, so you're really just heating that back up and getting a little bit of brown on there if you like that. So let me zoom in here a little bit so we can go ahead and get to cooking. Make sure you use your handy-dandy spatula. And while this is cooking, like I said, you could do this a number of different ways. You could also use a toaster for the English muffins if you don't have a pan big enough, or if you don't have one of these flat pans. But here we can see some of the sausage is already starting to brown a little bit on the top there. So we're just going to give these English muffins a flip. They're already starting to get a nice brown. That's the great thing about this. It only takes under 5 minutes to make this. And especially if you make two, you know, it would be about the same time. And I'm also going to be making a video on the sausage and egg McMuffin, which is similar to this, but you got to go ahead and crack an egg over here and keep it in an egg ring. So that'll be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And if you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. It helps me out a lot. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so this is getting close to done. Just going to move it around, kind of move some of this grease around, because I like to get as much of the grease off as I can. Just gets you less fat in your diet. So yeah, that English muffin is already nice and toasty and hot. Just kind of brown it a little bit more. And that's how I got really brown. Well, that's how they do it at McDonald's, because they put it on a press, you know. So we can go ahead and cut the heat to there, because we're about done with that. But I just like getting a lot of this grease out of here. And you see you get a nice little light little char on your English muffins. So we are ready to go ahead and plate this baby up. So we're going to go ahead and get our plate. And we're going to go ahead and get our English muffin bottom. And scoop up that wonderfully charred sausage patty. And then we're going to go ahead and top it with our top bun of our English muffin. And you can go ahead and put any jellies, jams on here, maybe some, I don't know, some people put ketchup, maybe some honey mustard, whatever you may please. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, smack that like button. Until next time, I will see you later. If you have any suggestions on future cooking videos, leave a comment down below. I love you all. I will see you next time. Be safe and peace out.